Hey guys, super quick video on this 2007 Jeep Commander with a 5.7. Should go for like Liberties and all that too, but this came in for just put a new headlight bulb in, and one of our guys here put a new bulb in, and it didn't do anything to fix it. So then he took the connector off, and it turns out it had power, but no ground going to the headlight. So the other side worked completely fine, and this side, both the low, the high beam, and the turn signal did not work. Anyway, so the first thing to check with this is just a quick to show you what we found. You're going to come over to the ground on the passenger side fender wall here, whatever you want to call it, inside the engine compartment, and there you go. There was the problem. He went to take this off, and that ground just completely fell off. So what you'll want to do is, scuff this up a little bit, cover it up with some grease, dielectric grease if you want. Check the other one too, and then put your bolt back on, secure it down, cover the whole thing in grease so it doesn't happen again. And you'd probably want to come over to the other side and take this one off. That has looks like actually it looks like somebody's been on that before, because that looks like a 3/8 head bolt, but the other side had an 8mm head bolt on it. That was 8mm over there, right? Yeah. So anyway, that's just before you go diving into the fuse box and all that, check those grounds. That's how it should look when you're done. Just make sure you cut that wire back past any of the corrosion that has kind of soaked up into the wire. And with that all done, you see all our lights work good now. Good stuff. Drop it a thumbs up if it helped you out, and I appreciate you watching.